Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Lime app and how to ride a Lime scooter or Lime bike. Let's get started. Lime lets you rent scooters and bikes using your phone. You pay per ride and return it when you are done. First, open the Lime app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, you will see a map. This map shows nearby scooters and bikes. Search on it and tap on one close to you. Walk to the scooter or bike, make sure the number on the app matches the number on the vehicle. To unlock it, tap scan to ride in the app. Scan the QR code on the scooter or bike. Once it unlocks, you are ready to go. Before riding, remember these tips. Wear a helmet if possible, follow traffic rules, ride in bike lane when available, do not ride on sidewalks unless allowed. To start moving on a scooter, push off with one foot, then press the throttle. When you are finished, park in a safe and allowed area. Do not block sidewalks, doors or driveway. Open the Lime app again, tap in ride. Take a photo if the app asks, make sure the ride is successfully. And that's it. That's how to use the Lime app and ride a Lime scooter or bike. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.